Hey guys, Mr. G Period here, and I just want to thank y'all for stopping by and checking out my video. This is actually my first YouTube video. Well, technically my second. I did one like 7 years ago, but that wasn't anything. That was just me messing around with YouTube for the first time. But yeah, just want to. I'm probably gonna have to edit the crap out of this, but it's all good. You live and you learn. I mean, it's all a part of the game, so I'm enjoying it. And you know, see, look. But yeah, this is actually my first PC build. So, and I've actually taken apart computers before, and even my laptop, which went out on me. So that's the reason why I'm actually, building a PC in the first place, because I got tired of replacing my motherboard on my laptop, and it's just been a big headache. And but yeah, let's check out the parts. So here's just a overview of all the parts that I got. So let's go in a little bit further. Oh yeah, I noticed probably some of y'all have noticed that the graphics card is missing. Well, I was gonna get me a 970, but I figured I could wait a little bit longer, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the 980 Ti. And I know I could have, for that price, I could have got two 970s and SLI and did it, but I wanted to start off with the base, being pretty good, so I just figured I'd go ahead and go with the 980 Ti instead, which will be coming soon. And I would have waited to do this video once I got the card, but I need a computer now, so because I'm without one altogether, and I gotta have something. But yeah, for my RAM, I got the G.Skill Ripjaws 5, DDR4 of course, 3000. I got my Corsair fans, the static pressure, and also the airflow as well. And this is my 2TB hard drive, my SSD, and I got the i7 6700K as well. And goes along with the MSI Z170 Gaming 7 motherboard. And it came with the free mouse as well, so I tried the mouse out. It feels pretty good. I haven't actually used it, but so far, just the way it feels, felt pretty good in my hand. And I also got the H100i for the water cooler, the all-in-one water cooler, and I got the EVGA Supernova 850G. And that's all gonna go in this huge case, the Phanteks Enthoo Primo. I took it out of the box. You probably can't really tell how big it is just on camera, but this thing is huge. But yeah, it's heavy. I'm a pretty big dude, but it kind of surprised me how heavy it was. But yeah, let's get to it. So this is the case, and man, this thing is massive. I really can't even fit the whole thing in this camera unless I back up some more. And yeah, guys, you can see this is my bed. This is actually my room. I stay with roommates, so I don't really have an office or anywhere else to do anything. So my room it is. And yeah, I know, carpet as well. It sucks, but I got an anti-static strap, so I should be good. Plus, this isn't the first time I've dealt with motherboards and all that, so I never had any problems with that. So, but I got one just in case. But yeah, this is the case. And this thing is a beast. Look how big it is.
That's what she said.
She's a beauty. And everything that I have, I can't even really utilize it like it should be. But I do plan on upgrading. So that's why I went ahead and went all out on it, because I am going to do some upgrades in the future for it. So yeah, that's the case. guys, as you can see, sorry about the rest of the video. I actually pulled an amateur move and my battery died on my camera. But yeah, another thing, what was going on with the motherboard? It was some washers and some screws already in the motherboard. That's why it took me so long to actually get the motherboard in the case itself. But after I figured that out, I mean, everything else was pretty much smooth sailings. But yeah, man, it was pretty good. It took me a long time to actually get it done. It took me a couple of hours actually, too long. But the main reason being, it's because hell, it's a lot of wires in this case, and some of them I couldn't really figure out which ones to go where. And when I was doing my fans, also, I had them turned around the wrong way on some of them, so I ended up having to undo it, take out the water cooler, the radiator, and all that good stuff, and flip the fans around, and so yeah, that was a headache. But I mean, I got it done. So, and as you can tell, if you haven't already noticed, I mean, this is a whole new day. got a different shirt on and everything now. So, but yeah, I mean, appreciate any feedback and whatnot. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that like. If you didn't, go ahead and hit that dislike button. It's all good. I mean, I know this video was probably, well, I take it back. I know this video wasn't the best. I mean, I'm using, for one, my phone, and it was just another camera that I had, like a little point and shoot camera. So, if you made it this far, I appreciate you staying. Hope I didn't bore you, and I wish I really could have showed you, the rest of the build that I was, putting together. But everything did work out right like it was supposed to. I didn't have any troubles, posting or anything like that. So everything booted up, got Windows installed, and yeah, everything was good. So yeah, I mean, if you got any questions for me, let me know. And if you want me to do any more videos, definitely let me know that as well. And I'll try to see what I can come up with and go from there. Appreciate it.